Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to see C++ continue statement. So if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. So let's get started with this video. Continue is another jump statement in C++. It is used to skip a part of the code. The continue statement is used to skip one iteration. Iteration word used in loop like for loop, while loop and do while loop. So we will understand this C++ continue statement with the help of one basic example. So here I have given one basic code where initialization I equals to 1, the condition is I is less than equals to 10 and the increment is I plus plus, and we are printing the value of I over screen. Now here I have used one condition. Here I have used the condition if I equals to 2, then it will continue. It means it will skip when the second iteration comes. So when I run this code, you can see the value of I1 and it will skip the value 2 and it will again print 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So suppose if you want to skip a loop for certain value, then you can use continue statement in C++. So suppose if I set this continue equals to 4 and run this code again, so the loop will skip for the value 4, 1, 2, 3 will be there. For fourth value, the specific code will be skipped and then 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10 will be there. So in this way, the continue statement is work in C++. If you want to skip a certain statement for certain condition, then you can use continue statement. Suppose I've set this value to 9 and when I run this code, it will skip for the value 9. You can see 9 is skipped and all other values are there. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All the values are there and it skipped the value 9. So in this way, continue statement work in C++. You can try this functioning in your C++ compiler, because when you try, it will clear your concept regarding C++. So for this video, this is it. If you haven't liked this video, please like this video, comment your thought, what you think about this video. If you haven't shared this video, please share this video with everyone who wants to learn C++. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. We'll see you in our next video.